Yesterday at the Keystone RV tour, our guide told us about the donuts at Rise and Roll, which is an Amish bakery. And everyone calls the donuts Amish Crack.
I'm gonna go get more.
They look like, Aubrey, let me see the apple one.
Mom, you want 5 or 6 more?
Apple one?
Saying 4?
So they look like this, but they're out of the actual ones that he was talking about. But they have, what do they have on them? The other ones?
What?
They have caramel.
It was a caramel cinnamon one.
Yeah, so these are filled with apple filling, but the Amish Crack ones he was talking about, they aren't filled, but they were out of those. We came at 4 o'clock p.m., so I guess that's what we get for coming to a bakery so late in the afternoon. Do you want a donut? We got a whole box of goodies, though. We're going to try a bunch of different kinds. Do you want a donut? Do they have those? How is it?
This is really good.
What kind is that, Ava? That's chocolate covered strawberry? Does it taste like that? Ivy, how's yours?
This is yours.
Is it yummy? Yeah?
Are you gonna eat donut? I love the cinnamon one and I love my sprinkle one.
You do? Is it the best donuts you've ever had?
Yes.
Is it? Oh, wow. This is so yummy. Is it yummy, Annie? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Oh, you're gonna lose some donut. Ah!